Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Mythos Beginner Tutorial. I'm your Web3 principal. My name is Eugene. Today we are going to learn how to sign up for Maxi Exchange. Let's get started. As you can see, there is a link provided in the description area. Click into the link and you will be led to this web page. So, the first step of signing up for Maxi Exchange, there are a few methods available, such as email, mobile, Google account, Apple account, MetaMask, or Telegram. You can choose whichever method that is convenient to you. But today we'll be using the mobile number for our tutorial guide. So let's key in our mobile number and our password and click on the sign up. So you have to verify it. After clicking on sign up, you'll be redirected to this webpage where you have to key in your TAC code. To get your code, just click on get code. Okay, after entering your TAC code, you'll be redirected to this page. And the next step will be completing the KYC for your account. So just go to this head and your identifications. So yeah, here's your primary KYC and your advanced KYC. You can verify it via the web or the app. So let's do it via the web for the primary KYC. So for the primary KYC, you have to select the country or region of your issuing document and the type of your ID. So I will put in ID card and just upload it here. So everything is okay and it'll be under review. And after primary KYC, you can do the advanced KYC. So where you have to put in your ID and facial recognition. So after you receive a message saying that you have completed your primary KYC, just refresh the web page and you can continue to advanced KYC, where you can verify it via web or via app. So let's do it via the web. Okay. So first of all, you have to upload the proof of identity. So please provide a photo of a valid ID. Make sure it's not expired or damaged. And secondly, you have to do a facial verification. Please perform a live facial verification by following the instructions to turn your head briefly in front of the camera. So let's start the verification. So previously we have uploaded our ID, so we have to upload again. And continue. Okay. For the facial verification, we'll get to a new web page. So here we are. So just click on the confirm that I've read the privacy notifications and click on next. And face the camera. Ensure your face is within a frame, then slowly turn your head around in a circle. So click I'm ready. Because I have no camera on my computer, so it can do a facial recognition here. So let's continue our advanced KYC via the app. Okay. Okay, let's do it via the app this time. Okay, so here's the QR code where you have to scan and verify your account. So I'll scan it using my phone, and we have to continue everything on my phone or on your phone for the KYC verification. Okay, I'm sorry. After scanning the QR code, you have to go to the webpage and download the Maxi app. And after downloading the app, you can complete your KYC in the app in a flash. So, yeah, after completing your KYC, you can close and wait for the KYC to review. So, after completing the KYC on your app, and after you return to this web page, everything will become this way. So, you're all set for your new Maxi exchange, and you are now ready to trade or deposit any amount into your exchange. Okay, so this is the end of our video, and thank you for watching. I'm your Web3 principal. My name is Eugene, and I hope you have a great day ahead. So if you like our video, so just like it and share it to your friends if they have any questions on how to sign up for the Maxi exchange. All right, thank you everyone. Goodbye.